layer, etheric body, etheric layer is the black hole. The outer 3 layers are physical, inner 3 layers are spiritual. This is the bridge. Generally 90% of the people, once they leave the physical body, they can't come back. But rare case, till the etheric body they can come back. That is what you are asking. Many people who are dead, they come back. How is it? How is it possible? They all express the same experience of this black hole. This black hole only I call it as Anandagandha Chakra. Anandagandha Chakra. Have you heard of the black hole theory? The whole universe just merges in one dot, and that also become nothing. Somebody asked me, where is Anandagandha Chakra? I always tell them, there is a balloon. In the balloon, your body is like a balloon. Can you get a balloon? If you have it, and we can show. Where all your energy centers merge and meet, that only is Anandagandha Chakra. If you resist this black hole, this can be taken as a depression. If you accept and go inside, the same will become a regeneration energy. The regenerating place. Understand? This black hole is such. Automatically you have an inborn tendency like Srishti and Pralaya. Srishti means creation. Pralaya means destruction. Srishti is the Big Bang. Pralaya is the black hole. Everything merges in one point. In your being also, every day you undergo Srishti and Pralaya. The upper and lower graphic. Upper graphic is Srishti. Your enthusiasm, excitement to work. Pralaya means to relax, to settle down. Understand? Sometimes you are excited, enthusiastic, want to jump, do everything, shake the whole world. Let us do revolution. Sometimes you just want to rest, relax, don't want to do anything. But what do you think? The laziness and the relaxation is always condemned by the society. A guilt is created in you about relaxation and laziness. Immediately you start resisting the pralaya. You start resisting the pralaya or shrinking. But unless you allow the pralaya to happen, again Srishti cannot happen. You miss the subject. If you resist the pralaya, pralaya means destruction, you will be resisting the Srishti also, creation also. So if you know how to go into that relaxation mood, how to move, how to cooperate, that mood of relaxing, the mood of shrinking, then you will know how to expand. If you cooperate with the mood of shrinking, then the same shrinking will become a regeneration force, like a sleep. In sleep you are regenerated and come out. If you do not, see, understand, if your body is this balloon, little fat, no problem. Here is Mooladhara, here is Swadhisthana, then Manipuraga, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agnya, and Sahasrara. Imagine this is your body. This is your body where the 7 chakras are there. Where is Anandagandha Chakra? It is here. Where the whole balloon went and merged. Anandagandha Chakra is here. The black hole is here. The etheric layer is here. the whole thing merges. Can you say now, where is black hole in this universe? Where is etheric layer in this universe? In your body? No. She's showing here, nowhere. It just merges there. You cannot say anywhere. In the healer's initiation, the etheric layer will be, the Anandagandha chakra will be opened. We work on the Anandagandha chakra only. It will be initiated. Then people feel the continuous energy flow in them. With that energy only they heal. This is spiritual, that is material. The black hole is drilled. Of course, only enlightened person can drill the Anandagandha chakra.
Swami, is it the same as the dark energy that the scientists are talking about?
In the cosmos, in macrocosm, microcosm. Microcosm and macrocosm is one and the same. Pindanda and Brahmanda is one and the same. Brahmanda is macrocosm. Pindanda is the microcosm. Pindanda is the miniature of Brahmanda. That's all. That is why physics and science, physics and spirituality, they relate with each other so much. Today, Dr. Bratton gave me one book. Of course, I'll explain to you all about the basic philosophy which is explained in that book and how the spirituality correlates with it. When he is here, tomorrow I think he may be here, I'll explain so that every point by point I'll relate with him. I'll tell him, make him tell, and I'll tell how the spirituality relates. If you resist this black hole, if you resist the shrinking mood, you name it as a depression. You always have a hatred towards relaxation and resting because of social conditioning. So you call it as a depression. Once you name that as a depression, you start resisting with it. You can never come out of depression by fighting with it. You can come out of depression only by cooperating with it. Because that is your part and parcel. Can you win your shadow? If you fight with your shadow, what will happen? That's all. If you fight with your depression, that is what will happen. You reach a low mood. If you allow the depth to happen, the height will happen to you. Peak and the valley. Height of the peak and depth of the valley is proportionate to each other. If you allow the valley to happen to you, you will have the peak to happen to you. There is a beautiful tantric word called peak or the valley orgasm. If you allow the valley to happen to you, only then you will allow the peak also to happen to you. How much you resist the valley, that much you will resist the peak. So if you know how to move with the black hole, this etheric layer, whenever your body wants rest, your mind wants rest, you will immediately understand, yes, etheric layer is now working. Let me not resist. Let me not name it as a depression. Let me allow this to rest. Let me allow this to work. Meditating, yes.
Are the 7 chakras somehow correlated to this?
No. In the first 3 layers, in the one layer itself, all the 7 chakras are over. So it's totally different. It is much far higher and superior things. Meditating on the darkness, not only meditating, becoming darkness. See, darkness is the original nature of the whole universe. So when you disappear into the darkness, then you will simply be able to fall into the dark hole, black hole, and you will be able to come out of it also. The same black hole, if you resist, it will become a depression. If you cooperate, it will become a regenerating power. You will go in and get regenerated, come out. If you resist not entering into it or not letting the black hole to happen to you, then you will call it as a depression, then you will call it as some disease, you will start going for the psychoanalyst, which is never going to end.